A padlock symbol, like this, means that the child lock function is on. This will prevent you from performing any action, making the machine appear unresponsive. To deactivate child lock, locate the two buttons linked by the padlock icon on your display and press the buttons simultaneously until the lock indicator disappears from the display. The icons or functions linked by the padlock symbol may differ between models, but the process will be the same. If this hasn't worked, disconnect the appliance from the power supply for 5 to 10 minutes and then switch on again. You may need to turn the wheel to wake the machine before repeating the process. If required, you'll find model-specific instructions in your user manual, which can be downloaded from the AEG website by entering your appliance's PNC number. You'll find the PNC number located on the rating plate here. Or, if you need any more help or advice, our consumer care team will be happy to help.